We're mixing up some white grout now. So I've put in about 20 ml of water. Doesn't take a lot of water to mix your grout. Don't get the hose and fill up half a bucket. No. Because you got very fine lines, you'd be surprised how little grout you use. You don't need to race in and mix up a whole bucket load, no. With a electric drill and the paddle, no, that's stupid. When I'm grouting, say 100 meters of 6x6 porcelain, I'll still only mix it up in the bucket like this. Now you see that? That's bloody beautiful. Absolute beautiful. Wipe off your trowel. Slap it in. Shiny 6x3 tile. You're pressing it in. I always grout up the architrave, because the architrave is only 10 or 11 mil thick, so you haven't got much, so it's pretty flush and you've got a grout. It's too hard to silicone, and then the paint doesn't stick and the painter whinges at you, so you never silicone where you're going to be painting. Sometimes you do have to, but you try and avoid it. See how far one scoop went? Quite a way. The owner's going to be getting the painter in. See that ceiling? It all needs to be repainted. Once that's done, it'll look like a box of birds. Beautiful. Lovely. Wipe off the excess. Don't waste your grout. My wash boy is downstairs, so I'll go down and get it, fill it up in a minute. I've got to find my bucket to stand on in a minute. It'll make it easier to do around the top. Okay, this is Chriso signing off. Once I've got my wash boy sorted out, I'll come back to you. Give us a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. We'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.